You think you're lazy? No. You're exhausted from years of fighting invisible battles. Trauma doesn't scream, it whispers, and it tells you you're not enough. Most people don't realize trauma hides in your habits. Procrastination? It's not laziness, it's self-protection. Your brain learned early on that doing too much or being too seen could get you hurt. Now, even trying to succeed feels like danger, so you shut down, you freeze, and the world calls you lazy. But here's the truth. Your brain did what it had to in order to survive. That's not weakness, that's strength. Healing isn't about hustling more, it's about understanding yourself. When you stop calling yourself lazy and start calling yourself a survivor, everything shifts. You don't need motivation, you need compassion. Remind yourself that this is just the beginning, but you still have to start. If this hit different, subscribe to No Filter Focus. We say what everyone else is scared to, and we rebuild from the inside out.